In this video, I'll guide you through how to set personal booking pages in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your own booking link that people can use to schedule time with you without all the back and forth emails. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for bookings. It's a good idea to do this on a desktop or laptop because some of the options are easier to see and manage on a larger screen. Once your calendar loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the menu there, you'll see a section called Booking Pages. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling a bit or collapsing other sections so it becomes visible. This is where Google lets you create and manage your personal booking links. In that Booking Pages section, look for a plus icon. This is usually labeled something like Create a Booking Page. When you hover over it, go ahead and click that plus icon to start setting up a new personal booking page. A setup panel or page will appear where you can customize your booking. Start by adding a clear and descriptive title. For example, you might call it Intro Meeting, Office Hours, or Client Consultation. Use something that makes sense to the people who will be booking with you so they immediately know what this time is for. Next, choose the duration of the event. Common options are 15, 30, or 60 minutes, but you can choose whatever works for you. Think about how long you realistically need for this type of meeting and whether you want to keep it short and focused or a bit more flexible. Then, set your availability. This tells Google Calendar when people are allowed to book time with you through this page. You can pick specific days of the week and time ranges, like weekdays from 9 to 5 or only afternoons. It's often helpful to limit bookings to times you know you're usually free so your calendar doesn't get overwhelmed. You'll also need to select which calendar these bookings should go to. If you use multiple calendars, make sure you choose the one you check most frequently, such as your main work calendar. This way, every booking created through this page shows up in the right place. When you've finished setting those basic options, click Next to move on. Now you'll configure location and conferencing. Here you can decide how the meeting will actually take place. You might select a physical location, like a specific office or meeting room, or choose an online option, such as adding a video conferencing link automatically. Pick the option that matches how you typically meet with people for this type of booking. After that, you can add a description and adjust the booking form. The description is a great place to explain what this meeting is for, what people should prepare, or any important details they should know before they book. Then review the booking form fields. You can usually decide what information guests must provide, like their name, email address, and any notes or questions they have. Keeping this form simple but complete will help you get the context you need before each meeting. Once everything looks good and you're happy with the title, duration, availability, location, and form, click Save. Google Calendar will create your personal booking page and give you a link that you can share in emails, on your website, or in your email signature. From now on, anyone with that link can pick a time that works for both of you, and your calendar will update automatically.